Hello everybody, welcome back to Blacksmiths Story. Where we left off is, I think we killed, some of those giant lizards and trees and whatnot. Well, yeah, I think that's where we left off, and we got the Smitho 9001. I think that's what it's called. How could I forget? Alright. We got Garbo. Nice. Broken pickaxe. That one is all rusted into dust. Can't use. Let's go ahead and not do anything. Okay. Anyway. Bench. Okay. So, I know it hasn't, or it's been a pretty long while since I did the last video. Crud. Trying to get comfortable. So, I hope you guys enjoy this. I know I said I might do face cam in the first video I did, but I got a little too shy. Anyway, I'm probably not going to be doing face cam for a while until I get a better camera and everything and phone, because I have a pretty crappy phone. But still. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this. Still enjoy this playthrough. Yeah. So. Is our courtyard full? No, we need one more. Well, let's go ahead and kill these guys. Shouldn't be too hard. We're taking him out. Get wrecked. If the music is too loud, might as well turn it down just in case. There. Hey, we killed him. Alright. We have 3 more enemies. Yeah, I don't have my touch thingy on, so you can't tell where I'm touching or anything. Kinda sucks, actually. I mean, okay, guys, I would've lucky patched this if you guys don't know what that is. I'm pretty sure most of you do, though. But I might actually do a video on that sometime. I don't know when, though. But, yeah. Let's actually go home. Yeah, it's really hard to get comfortable. Phone battery's at 41%. Might as well take it. Alright. So. Crud. So as I said before, I might not be doing face cam. I might. You never know. If I get the face cam working better, if I get it working, then I might actually do face cam. But till then, probably not. And I am making a playthrough. What am I doing? I am making a playthrough. So I really do hope you guys enjoy this thing. Dang! That was a lot of crap right there. Oh, do I get an orb? Oh yeah, I got an orb. Yeah. Orb here. Yep. Want to open a new restaurant? What? You can do that? I want to do that. You seem like a good guy. Are you good for selling? You're pretty good. Let's change you. Okay. Crud. Ah! I'm sorry. I forgot to, read it. Alright. You guys can go ahead and pause it. Go back. If you guys saw it anyway, then, yeah. Metals can be melted. 3 small copper ingots can, I don't mean to run the smith. Oh, here comes a customer. I'll serve them first. Excuse me, I just burped. So, put those in there, I'm guessing. Probably gonna make Garbo. If not, then we'll get lucky. Man, I really need it. Oh, I can. Yes, I'm upgrading the minecart. I'm doing it again. Yeah. And I got coins from that anyway, so. Now it's at 30. That's sweet. Can I upgrade this? Oops. Yes, I can. 5 is 500 and... Oh, that... Whoa. Never mind. Let's grab some of those. Cancel, I did not mean to hit that. We are at 23.4 kilometers, whatever. I don't know. What are you good with? A sword? No, thank you. I need a shield, or a... Yeah, I need a... Alright, you're good with a sword. A sword. Alright. You're good with a sword. You're good with a sword. And you are good with the, a little stone dagger. I don't have your thing that you wanted, I'm sorry. Take your killing weapon and go. Leave this place. I don't know. This looks crazy. Copper, stones, that sand or whatever, dirt, and stone, and more stone. I'm gonna sell, let's see, rocks. 55 coins for all your rocks. No, thank you. Red dirt. Nope. Nope. No, thank you. Yes, I actually will. I wonder what he does. Oh, he gave me an orb? Dude, that's awesome. Oh, I can do it again. It's nice. Oh, it gave me a better ingot. Oh, that's nice. I'm gonna do that again. Yeah. What's in our chest? It can be made into a weapon. That, I don't know. You never know. What is that? Please tell me. Yeah, it's a silver coin. I can sell it. If I need to. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Not this, but... Dear all bosses, welcome to Blacksmiths Story HD official Facebook fan page. No thank you. This again. Is your password 1, 2, 3, 4? Oh man. Darn. I could go look that up. He's got some good mining power. So does he, so I'll keep him there. How much time am I at? 11 minutes. What am I doing? I can do this for as long as I want. I can do it for about, like, I don't know, 30 minutes. I'm gonna go for a 20 or 15, but this time. Recommended by heroes. Advertisement on a billboard. Leaflets. Party and bars. Show of the heroes. Power of the orb. We are definitely going to save up our orbs to see what the power of the orb is, like, if it's worth it. If it is, well then, yeah. Yeah, boy. We get advertisement on... Yeah, I'm gonna go advertisement. Oh, we got another. Nice. Now that we have 2 of them, can't we, like, go with a sword and 2 big ingots? That should work for a copper sword. Let's go ahead and fight some animals. Oh, we can even make copper ingots ourselves. See that? Boom. Bing, bang, boom. Alright. That actually takes about a pretty long time, so. Well, let's go fight a monster. Or monsters, as I should call them. We are at 13 minutes. Alright. Man. Actually, you know what? Next video, if I remember, I might actually do a, face cam, so. Yeah. What do we got? It just goes to fighting. Hey, we almost got it. Nice. And killed. What kept you so long, young man? I'm glad I'm glad to give you a hand. Keep the manual of axe. Remember that different weapon types have different effects on different monsters. Swords towards flesh, while axes towards wood. Try figure it out, or try figure out more possibilities by yourself. You ask me who I am. Does that matter? I just thought I should do something. Don't ask me a thing. That's all I can tell you now. I'll be back when I need to. Well, thank you all for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, comment on what you think. What flaws I had, or if I was flawless, and all that. But yeah. I'll see all you dudes and dudettes in the next video. See ya.